Ito po ang aming backyard. This is our backyard. We have a little plants here. Ayan, beans, bananas, squash, okra, bell pepper, eggplant, tomato, string beans. We have centronella, malunggay or moringa, and my lemon calamansi is growing. I put it in the pot, sa pot lang po. So when it's winter, we have to bring it inside. Sweet potato leaves, Filipino people will eat that. Oh, look at the bags. This is the beans, pepper. This is the potato, string beans or sitaw. Tumutubo na siya. Ito ay potato. Yeah. Tomato. Ayan. Ampalaya. Flowering. Yeah. Ayan na ang bell pepper. Beans. Potato. Eggplant. Ang talong na very long. Ayan. Ayan ang aking hot pepper, banana pepper. Ayan, that's tanglad, okra, and then garlic at spring onions. I like spring onions. Ayan. Ayan po ang aming maliit na hardin. Yeah, ako po si Ate Gay. Ate Gay 330, bagong vlogger. Ayan, originally from Philippines and now residing here in East Tennessee. Ayan, garden. Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Salamat po. Thank you. Bye bye.